Thank you for tuning in with Fonts Auto Diagnostics. Today we have a 2006 Pontiac Grand Prix. I believe it's a GT with a 3800. Customer complaint, crank no start. Like I mentioned before, I already verified the customer complaint. See why is it what's it doing? Why is it doing it? If you're able to do physical checks on the components, go ahead and do so. So I'm about to crank it. Right up. Let me. So I'm about to start the vehicle. You hear crank, 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 but no start. You can see this coil is broken. It's melted right there. That's a good indicator that a part is shorted out, and hopefully the initial control module is not bad. But just to for shits and giggles, let's go ahead and try crank it over. As you can see, I'm not getting the arc. I'm gonna try to do this better. Not jumping at all. And the fuse right here, which is this 15 amp, it is fuse 24, which is electronic ignition. We're going to pop that out and let's see if it is blown. Let me try to get that thing to focus. Well, how well you could see that, but that thing is blown. Let me go ahead and get a new coil for this vehicle and a replacement fuse and go from there. So I have the car running right now, smooth. I noticed that when I pull the dipstick, it smells like fuel. And so I believe it was this one right here, which is let me show you. This fuse right here, which is an injector, fuel injection. So I crank it over a couple of times to get some of that fuel out of the chamber, and then I put the fuse back on, prime the system, and crank it over, start it up. A little tip to know. You see the colors? I ended up putting there previously because it was misfiring really bad. So that's a wrap for this vehicle. It's running smooth, not hesitating. It's able to crank and start on its own power. That's why it's a good thing to check your power feed, your ground feeds, and also do a visual inspection on your components. I mean, nowadays a lot of our components or in these vehicles have powers and grounds. You're not able to figure it out why the component acting the way it's acting. Go after your powers and grounds. Well, the first way to start. After that, sorry about that. So after you check your power and ground, go ahead and check component. Make sure it's able to work. Make sure whatever feature that it's designed to do is operational. Thank you again for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like, comment. I'll try to make better videos. Like I said before, I'm new to this. I'm not so comfortable making videos and explaining how the process works. Might have missed something on the way of making the video. Maybe I jump a step and then told you guys. Who knows, but little by little I'll get hang of it, and I'll provide better content for you guys to learn, and me also as I go. Thank you for watching.